Ever found yourself at a loss when confronted with a whole fish on your dinner plate? Let's unravel this culinary conundrum together. The art of eating a fish meal begins with selecting the right tools. A fish knife and fork, with their unique design, can be your best allies. Start from the top. The tender, flaky flesh near the head often holds the most flavor. Work your way down slowly, savoring each bite. Navigating around the bones can seem like a daunting task, but with a little patience and a gentle touch, you'll master it in no time. And remember, the bones are not your enemy. They're what gives the fish its structure and depth of flavor. Take your time, enjoy the symphony of taste that each morsel brings. Every fish has a unique flavor profile, a story of its life in the sea. Remember, eating a fish meal is not just about nourishment, but also about appreciating the delicate flavors that come from the sea. Ever wondered about the journey your fish took before it ended up on your plate? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of fishing, the first step in your fish meal's voyage. Fishing has been a crucial part of human survival and culture for eons, and over time, we've developed an array of techniques to catch these slippery swimmers. Firstly, there's line fishing, a method as old as time. This age-old technique requires a line and a hook, baited to entice the fish. From a single line cast by a lone fisherman to the industrial long lines boasting thousands of hooks, line fishing is all about patience and precision. Then we have netting. This method involves casting a wide net into the sea and hauling it back in, hopefully teeming with fish. It's a grand spectacle, a testament to our ingenuity and our enduring relationship with the sea. For the big catches, there's trawling, where large nets are dragged through the water, scooping up everything in their path. It's a bit like vacuuming the sea, but with a lot more skill and a lot less dust. Once the fish are caught, they're cleaned, a process that involves removing the scales and guts. This is followed by filleting, where the flesh is skillfully separated from the bones. It's an art form in itself, requiring a steady hand and a keen eye. Finally, the fish is ready to be cooked. Whether it's grilled, fried, or poached, each method brings out unique flavors and textures, transforming the humble fish into a mouth-watering meal. Every step of this process, from the hunt to the cooking, is a dance between humans and nature. It's a testament to our ability to harness the bounty of the sea and a reminder of the respect we owe to these aquatic creatures. So the next time you sit down to a fish meal, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from the sea to your plate.